Hello everybody, this is Mr. Anil. Today I'm going to talk about one of my bad side. The bad side is I go to my exam hall so late. Because of it, I suffer so much. From today, I never go to my exam hall so late. And I have already promised that from today I will go to my exam hall before minimum 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And it is not only my promise, it is my responsibility to do better in the exam. Please suggest me some good side or bad side of my public speaking, and please also suggest me some topic of the public speaking. So I am wishing you better health and mental well-being, and stay good and healthy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.